All right, all right, all right. Now, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to 215 Trades. The home of the 215 technique. And I just want to say a big congratulations to everyone yesterday who had a very lovely time on our session. Congratulations to you guys. Now it's today. Today's the what? Today's the 4th of February. Yeah, today's the 4th of February, and just want to say, guys, please ensure that you like the stream. Yeah, don't let me have to ask. Just like this stream, guys. You know that it's the only thing that I'll ask for you guys to do is just to support the channel by liking and sharing the stream. All right. I really appreciate all the love and the support. Okay. All right. So if you're on TikTok, ensure that you double tap on that screen. And if you're on YouTube, ensure that you check that like button. All right. So doing just a quick audio check, guys. Can you just let me know if you are able to hear me properly on TikTok, and also if you're able to hear me properly on YouTube? Just want to make sure that all my viewers across platforms are all okay. Okay, good. Al can hear me on TikTok. Brilliant. How about my TikTok viewers? Are you able to hear me? Yeah, clear, clear. Brilliant. All right, good. All right, now that we have of that out of the way, let's just get into it. Good morning to Adrian on YouTube, also Al from TikTok as well. Morning as well, 8607 on YouTube. And to my fellow viewers on TikTok as well, greetings to you, Paulo. You're welcome for yesterday. Greetings as well, Zhao and Nash. Good morning. Not to mention Alan. Good morning to you guys. All right, great. So we're back again today. If you all are waiting for an epic stream today, can I have some W's inside of the chat? You want an epic stream today? Let me see some W's inside of the chat on YouTube and also on TikTok. And it's very interesting to see as well, because right now on YouTube we're at 990 subscribers, so we are only 10 short of 1,000. All right, we're only 10 short of 1,000. That's on 215 trades on YouTube. So we're only 10 short of 1,000. So that's very good growth over the past 2 months. I think we gotten over 500 subscribers since the starting of the year, and we've started the year on an epic start, and we want to continue that throughout. So let's dive into it. Let's get into the charts. Now remember, my TikTok viewers, if you haven't yet viewed, if you haven't yet subscribed to the 215 Trades channel on YouTube, please ensure you go ahead and do so. That's my main play area. That's where I will always be. So ensure that you are on, you're subscribed there, because at any given time, TikTok can take away this account. So ensure that you're subscribed to the YouTube channel as well. That's 215 Trades in YouTube. And also get those likes up to 2K likes. We only have 1,500 likes. And after we get to 2K likes, I will begin the deep dive. All right, so let's have a quick look at yesterday. Yesterday's stream. We did a New York stream yesterday. We also did an extended London stream as well. It's going to be the same case today as well. We're doing the same thing as well today. So yesterday we marked our 215 zone here. Sadly, price didn't confirm a retest of the 215 zone. What it did is that it broke above our 215 zone aggressively. Went to all-time highs on the 5-minute time frame, and we had a rejection, right? However, at this point in time, I was told that I was crazy for going against the market and taking a short in this region. It was so sad though because my craziness led us to actually score I believe it was over 100 pip move on that one. So for those who missed it yesterday, yesterday was an epic success. I believe yesterday we had over a 200 pip win yesterday across the board on all of our trades. So we've started off the month on a very strong foot, and that's what we want to continue. And I want to continue that by being patient and just trusting the rules of the 215 technique. All right, so remember, guys, if you're here with negative comments, just to let you personally know, I love them. I love the negative comments because it just gives me that boost and that drive just to want to be greater. So it's fine if you want to share those negative comments, you can share them. That's perfectly fine. We don't have anything against it. All right. Yeah, I've been told so many times that what I'm doing is this and that, but yeah, those are just supporters. They're your main supporters, so you always have to love those guys. All right, good. What's Dada saying on YouTube? Dada is saying painful. I'm on full duty today. Hopefully I can catch up something before 8 a.m. Yes, hopefully. Hopefully, my friend. Now, remember, guys, if you haven't yet shared the live, please go ahead and do so. All right, it doesn't take much of you just to share the live, but just show your support of sharing the live, and then we can dive right into it. It's now 7:08 a.m. Let's remove all these drawings, and we will begin. I need to find the 7 a.m. candle because that's the candle I am going to be working with. That's the candle I am going to be using as my POI. Yesterday was here. Haha. Yeah, I was here yesterday. Let's get it. 215. All right, let's look at it. So let's look for the 7 a.m. candle because that's the candle I'm working with. That's a candle that I want to be my POI. So I'm gonna put it where it opened. Oh well, it's actually where the price is right now. So we didn't have to go very far for it. Okay, good. All right, so we're gonna use this price as my point of interest. Remember, guys, no financial advice. It's just some random guy on the internet just showing you how he uses the 215 technique to look for entries on XAU. Good morning, Origin. All right, good. So that's the point of interest at 2813. We know all-time high is right here. Not very far away, but that's perfectly fine. All right, so following the rules of the 215 technique, the first step after marking the point of interest is for us to locate 20 pips below or $2 below the point of interest. So if the point of interest is at 213.408, then this should be what's that again? My math is correct. So it should be 2811.408. This is going to be my sell line, and also this is going to be, I'm doing the same thing on the reverse. So if it's 2813, it's going to be 2815. Okay, that's good. 2815.408. And then I'm going to switch this to my Y line. All right, good, brilliant. All right, so we have the this area, and does anyone recall what this area is? Does anyone in the chat know what this area is? Let's just do a quick quiz just to see that you guys are paying attention to the 215 technique. This area between the bio line and the cell line, this area, what is this area called? All right, Paulo's saying 215 zone, Daniel is saying 215 zone, Azuluka Bruno is saying it's a 215 zone. Thadrian Nelson is saying consolidate. Alan is saying it's a support zone. All right. Well, in this lovely area here, this is called our 215 zone. This is our 215 zone. This is our 215 range. Whatever you, well, no, don't call it 215 range. Call it a 215 zone. All right, so we have a 215 zone. We're on the 15-minute time frame. Resistance and support. Yeah, if in a sense, if you want to look at it that way, it is resistance and support. However, sweet spot. Ricky, welcome back, Ricky. I didn't see you yesterday. I don't remember seeing you yesterday, Ricky. But yeah, definitely the sweet spot, if you want to call it that. It sure is. All right, so we're still on the 15-minute time frame, and as you know how we do it, we have to also find the rejection on the 15-minute time frame. All right, so let's have a quick look. So still on the 15-minute time frame, we just need to find the closest support and resistance. I think I'm going to use this area from this distance right here as my 15-minute rejection point, because it touches the bottom of this 15-minute resistance here. These candles are doing the same thing, having a slight kiss of it here as well, and these to the far left, not to mention these one which are close by. Okay, was there but quiet. I made some dollars. Okay, well, that's good. That's good, Ricky. That's good. I realize, so so my YouTube viewers, they are always there. They're always quiet, but they're not as they're shy. They're not as vocal as the TikTok viewers. That's what I've realized, definitely, for sure. But you guys are always there from day one. You guys are foundational viewers. I appreciate you all. All right, good. So that's the 15-minute rejection on the upside. We're gonna do it on the reverse. Here as well. How far away is this line though? I don't want it to be too massive. 10 to 15 pips is the sweet spot. Yeah, that's too massive. That's almost 30 pips. On the flip side, we haven't even have any tests of this area though. Yeah, that's more like it. I'll use that, but this area is going to be key as well. So it's just going to be one to watch, to be honest. Made some dollars on XAU. Okay, good. Were you on both streams? Because we did London and New York yesterday. Not shy, just there in spirit. Good. All right. So everyone should be all right then. All right. So that's our 15-minute rejection line. I'm going to use the brush, and I'm going to put a quick circle just on this area as well, because as I'm going to the higher time frames, I want to see what is at this area. Then was, ooh, come on, Ricky. Come on, Ricky. You got to stick to one thing, Ricky. It's either you're doing this or you're doing that. You're doing this or you're doing that, my friend. So if you're doing gold, you're doing gold. If you're doing stocks, you're doing stocks. All right. So we have our 215 zone. We have our rejection. We have our rejection area as well, which is right here, as you know. So now, can anyone tell me what would be the next step after we've identified the 215 zone and also identified the 15-minute rejection lines? What will be the next step of the 215 technique? So we've done of the first two of doing the 215 zone. We've also identified the 50-minute rejection. Right. So the next step would be going to the higher time frames to identify the support and resistance. Correct. All right. I love to see that you guys are paying attention to the 215 technique. All right, let's go. So we're going all the way to the 30-minute time frame just to see what's happening. All right. So let's look for the 30-minute support. Okay. So we need to identify 30-minute support, and we need to identify the 30-minute resistance. Now these lines we marked them out based off where they were, and I think definitely for sure we're gonna use these lines as a 30-minute support, and this is why I'm using it, because right to the left of it we can see where this 30-minute support is right there. So I want to put it as closely as possible to the tippy tip of these wicks. So this area right here, I would say is a 30-minute support. Okay, and we're doing it on the flip side as well. So we need to identify the 30-minute support on the flip side. I would say the closest one would be this one right here, but it's also right here as well. But I'm going to use this one as it's more farmed out, just the same. So let's do that as the 30-minute resistance right here. We're trying to see if we can go all the way up to the 4 hour, but I don't think we're gonna get a 4 hour. Well, we might get a 4 hour resistance because all-time high is right there. Good morning, Evans. Welcome, welcome. Remember, guys, to double tap on that screen and like the stream, and to also share the live as well. I would really appreciate you guys for doing that. Now remember as well that we're also live on YouTube, which is our main play area, which is my main play area on YouTube at 215 Trades on YouTube. So if you haven't yet subscribed to it, please head on over to do so. I believe we are only 10 subscribers short from 1,000. So please head on over and get it. Too much markup. Take it easy. Market will eventually get to 2806. Okay. Thank you very much for that, Mary, for your words of wisdom. Thank you. All right, so let's continue with our markups because we are not yet satisfied with the amount of markups we need to continue with the 215 technique. So we've just finished doing the 30-minute support and resistance, and we're going all the way up to the 4 hours. So let's see. So we're now at the hour. We have 1 hour resistance right here. And we also have a 1 hour support. Where are we gonna put the 1 hour support? Now the 30 is right here already, so I'm not gonna mix it in there. The next bit is all the way down here, I would say. So that's a lot of space for a proper sell-off. That's perfectly fine. Doesn't matter what the market is going to do. I'm not predicting it. I'm only just reacting to what it does. All right, let's go again. So we have the 1 hour support. Now we need the 4 hour support as well, just to see. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So we won't be able to get a 4 hour resistance. We will have a 4 hour wick. But once price, if price gets to these all-time highs area, as yet again, we know what to do. We know how to handle all-time highs. So I won't be worried about that. 4 hour support, I'll just put it right here as a space saver for right now. So I'll just put it right here for right now. Does anyone know, using the 215 technique, what we will do, or what I will do if it goes to all-time highs again? Does anyone know? Does anyone remember? If price goes to all-time highs again, what will we do? Does anyone remember? Ooh, price is melting. Entry 2, that's definitely it. That's definitely correct. Entry 2 is what we will do if price goes to an all-time high again. Now, using the 215 technique, I'm going to jump to the 5-minute time frame now, because the 5-minute time frame is a time frame that I use for entries. Yeah, you can definitely go ahead and ask your question. So using the 5-minute time frame, I need to find my rejection. Well, I needed to use a 5-minute time frame for my entry, so this is what I'm going to be looking for today. For price to break below, test my 15-minute rejection area, pull back into my 215 zone with a candle closure on the inside, then a candle closure on the outside for me to take a short position. Yeah, guys, why can't I support my strategy on the live account? What? Don't understand what you're talking about, my friend. So on the reverse, if price moves up and do the reverse test that 50-minute rejection line, followed by a retracement back into the 215 zone and a candle closure on the inside, right? Then a reversal and candle closure above the 215 zone. That would be indication for me to take a long position. So let me just switch this to green here. Why can't I support? I don't know what you're talking about. 15 minutes you have 50 minutes you have set to R. This is nice. Now the 50-minute doesn't stand for the R doesn't stand for resistance. It stands for rejection. So I have two 50-minute rejection lines. I should maybe spell it out for the newer the newer viewers, but it's the RSA stand for rejection versus resistance. Now, what's going on here? Yeah, I was a bit weary about this 30-minute support, because when we were doing it on the 15-minute time frame, when we were having a look at the 15-minute time frame, we put the rejection here, but the wicks ultimately went all the way down to this 30-minute support here. So let's see. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame just to. It's all about identifying the supports and the resistance. All right, let's go back to the 5 minute time frame because we know that on the 5 minute time frame, this is the time frame I will be waiting for entries based on the 215 technique. We can now see where price has broken below that 215 zone. So right now we're waiting for retracement back into the 215 area. But if price continues to melt, then we will then be looking for a entry too. I'll then be looking for an entry too. So yeah. All right, good. Use downward parallel channel. Wow, you guys have so many things that you guys use. Yep, definitely for sure. The strategy is called 215. If you like to learn how to do the 215 technique, just head on over to 215 Trades on YouTube and you can see all of my videos uploaded there. You can have a review of them. You can leave a comment as well. If they've helped you in any way whatsoever, you let me know. If you have questions, you let me know as well. You can also join the Telegram group as well. Can somebody said to me yesterday that the Telegram links were not working on TikTok. Can someone check the Telegram group, the Telegram links, and let me know if they're now working on TikTok? Right now, I'm on the 5 million time frame. The 5 minutes time frame. Apologies. All right. Did someone say the Telegram links are working now? All right. So for those persons who are on YouTube, it should be in the description of the live. If you're not seeing it, in the description is also on the bio of the channel. So it should be on the landing page of the channel. So you can definitely join the Telegram group there. And if you join the Telegram group, there should be a chat section on the Telegram group as well, and that section will allow you to speak with other fellow 215ers as well. Ultimately, you can also speak to me from that group as well. All right, so it's now 7:30 a.m. here in London, or in England, or in the UK. The London session opens in 30 minutes. So far, we can see where the link works. All right, brilliant. So far, we can see where price has broken below the 215 zone, and it's pushing aggressively towards the downside. We are not, one thing we know for sure here, using the 215 technique, is that patience is key. So I'm just currently waiting just to see what's going to happen. I'm using the 215 retest, not using the 215 go. So you just gotta wait. Dada, have you found the Telegram group link as yet? Okay, you haven't. Strategy is called the 215 technique. All right, Dada, hold on. I'm gonna post it in the YouTube chat. Ah, greetings from Berlin. Welcome, Anar. Yeah, I've seen your name quite a few times. Yeah, that's the Telegram link posted by man himself. All right, now remember, guys, if we're using the 215 technique, you just got to be patient. All right, we're on the 5 minute time frame. We can see where price has come down to our 30-minute support and is rejected. Remember, I will only be taking an entry if it confirms a test of the 15-minute rejection area followed by a retracement to the zone, then a closure on the outside of the 215 zone. So while other strategies will say that you should be taking a long or a short because it's doing this and doing that, I only take action if it confirms the movement of the 215 pattern. That's all. So right now I'm not taking a long, nor am I taking a short, because it hasn't made any move to constitute me to take a position. I don't know. What would you classify the 215 technique as? Would you classify it as day trade or swing trade? What would you guys classify it as? Yeah, Lada, I'll have a look at it. I'll have a look at it soon. I'll have a look at it soon. As soon as I'm finished with the stream, I'll have a look at it. Scalping and day, definitely day. All right, so my TikTok viewers are saying that it's day trading, and my YouTube viewers are saying it's scalping. So it doesn't, to me, honestly, it doesn't matter which category you put it on there. As long as you just getting some pips out of the market, it's fine. Sorry guys, I'm having a cup of tea, so if you hear it, it's just me having a cup of tea. Sweep, break of structure, fear, valley gap technique. Oh no, that sounds very fancy, Monsieur, but no, this is not it. I want to ask a question, bro, about the 215 strategy. When it retraces back to the zone, what's next? The arrows tell it all, my friend. So when it retraces back, to the 215 zone and it closes inside the zone, right? If I then get another break off the zone with a candle closure on the downside, then I'll try to go for a short at that point in time. I don't know. I do not recommend anything really. Remember, guys, no financial advisor here. I'm just showing you what I use, how I use the 215 technique. So I'll never tell you to take a position, but I'll show you what I'm doing. Winning rate for this method, I don't know. What I would recommend for you to do is to do some back testing. All right. So if you go to my YouTube channel, 215 Trades on YouTube, I'm live right there right now. If you go to my YouTube channel, 215 Trades on YouTube, you will see videos on there that will basically explain how to do the 215 technique. You can watch a few of them. You can watch a few of the previous lives as well. And once you have watched those videos, at that point in time, I recommend you to do some back testing yourself. Because if I come on here, you're asking what the win rate is. If we come on here and I tell you that my win rate is 100%, that's not enough information for you to use to say that you're going to be doing the technique from now on out. What the best thing for you to do is for you to do some research yourself, do some back testing yourself of the technique, and if the technique works for you, then you can implement it. But don't try to implement it because of what I say. Do some research on your own. So the win rate of this is to be decided. Let's put it that way. But my fellow viewers on TikTok and my fellow viewers on YouTube, what do you think the win rate is from your experience? Just let them know in the chat. From your experience, what do you think the win rate is for yourself? Do you say when you going in a trade? I don't know. I don't know. Well, I show you what I'm doing on the screen, and you interpret that as you may. Sadly, guys, I can't be blunt and straightforward because TikTok is very funny. So I don't want to get caught in, any trade wars with TikTok. So I'm sorry, I can't be more straightforward than that. But I'm live streaming, and I'm showing you what I'm doing. What I'm waiting for right now, price has tested my 15-minute rejection line, which is by the yellow lines right here. It has now tested my 30-minute support. Now, this 30-minute support, I'm not so very strong that I would like to take an entry model 2 from this 30-minute support area. To be honest, reason being is that because when we were on the 15-minute time frame, this was also like the 15-minute rejection, extremely close to the one that I have highlighted. So ideally, what I'm really waiting for right now, I'm waiting for a retracement back to the 215 zone. No, if it depends what happens. All right, let me just explain it to you guys again. Okay, the only way that I'll be looking for a long position, well, there are two factors which would cause me to look for a long, an entry 2 from a support, but an entry 2 hasn't formulated itself just yet. So the only way I'll be taking along is if price come to this area, to this 15-minute rejection on the upside, right? It has to. All right, so this arrow, do you see these? Can you guys see this arrow? You should be able to see this green arrow, and you can see those 3 circles, those 4 circles on it, right? Price have to first be in the zone, right? Then it has to go to the 15-minute rejection line on the upside and close, right? Then it also have to reject back into my 215 zone and close inside my 215 zone, followed by a closure above my 215 zone again. So it has to do these, it has to have a candle at these 4 points. Once a candle closes at these 4 points, then that's the only time that I will be looking to take a long position. So all the time I'll be looking to take a long position, right? From an entry 2. However, I can also take a long position from an entry, oh, that's an entry 1, sorry. I can also look to take an entry, a buy from an entry 2, but it hasn't formulated that as yet. So that's for right now, that's the only way I will take a buy. Even though right now this 30-minute support right here that we have right here, an entry 2 is confirmed right here, but I'm not gonna take that one because of the confusion with the 15-minute rejection. What's my YouTube people saying? Coming from TikTok, do you show when going in a trade? Yeah, it's all on stream. It's all on stream. Everything I do is all on stream. Mastermind Money, Crypto Christmas, Mastermind, DJS, and all streaming platform. All right, good. So we have someone doing some soliciting over here on TikTok. Congrats to you, bud. Oh, I see. I see. Thanks. Link is there for your YouTube and Telegram. Yeah, the link is there for my YouTube and my Telegram. I'll explain an entry to when it's. I don't want to explain it now and confuse anyone, but I'll explain it if it starts to formulate on the charts. Yeah. So on YouTube, it's the same as it's on TikTok. It's 215 trades on YouTube, and the link of the video, the link of the links are in the is on the home screen, my landing page on TikTok. All right, remember guys to like the stream and to also share it. We're now at 8,000 likes as well. So if you can just double tap on that screen and like the live, also as well to my YouTube viewers as well. Can you guys just like the stream for me as well? I think it's gonna be a long. They just grab liquidity. Once a position comes into place, then at that point in time, I will identify where my TP areas will be. It's now 7:43 a.m. here in the UK. London session opens in 17 minutes. How long is long for you? Certain percentage and you're out, or you will set profit taker live for it to drop down. I'm not sure I understand the question. It rejected from a support on the 4-hour time frame. You use a strategy whenever you'd like to use a strategy. Ideally, I mainly focus in the London and Asian sessions. You can use it as well in New York, but you just have to be cautious, be mindful of the news events that usually come out. I mean, how do you decide a TP location on the long? Okay. All right. So that is why we mark out our higher time frame supports and resistance, because those will actually be, if you're taking an entry one, those will actually be your target areas. So if it confirms a retest, your first TP would be your 30-minute your 30-minute resistance or support, followed by the 1 hour all the way to the 4 hour, and then you just manage it accordingly. Oh, that's what you meant. All right, we're now at 11K likes on you on TikTok. Can we get those likes up to 15K likes, please? So if you guys can just double tap on that screen, I would really appreciate that. Remember as well, if you haven't yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, please ensure that you go ahead and do so. That's 215 Trades on YouTube. Yeah, I can see why. All right, so because right here would confirm an entry too. This would confirm, well, I'd confirm an entry too. I didn't take it or make mention of it because of what it looked like on the 50-minute time frame with the confusion here. So I'll let that one pass for now. So I'm still waiting patiently before I do anything, and very conscious that London session opens in 12 minutes as well. So I need to see what the London boys and gals are going to do, because when that volume kicks in, it can either push or it can either dump. So one thing. Good morning, Ishmael. Did I get it correct? One thing that I do know about the 215 technique is that never to rush any position whatsoever. It's always best just to be patient and wait for it to play out. So the market is moving. It doesn't mean that I always have to be moving with the market. I know what I'm looking for. I'm waiting for what's there. And once that shows itself, then I'm ready. Okay, what about trend lines? Isn't this trending down now? Is it trending down? Well, let's see. On the 15-minute time frame, yeah, it seems to be going lower. Yes. However, if you look at the 15-minute time frame, it's in a very crucial support area right now, because here when once it came here, it went up. There was a lot of buying pressure here, and one thing we do know about support is that there's always going to be a lot of buying pressure out of support. So price came back into this area and test this area yet again, and it's now going upwards. So we can't say that it's going down. Now I would say ideally, if price came all the way down to this area 2733, I would say yes, it's finally going down. But where it is right now, I wouldn't consider it as being uh, a downtrend at the minute. Do you come live every day? I try to come live every day. But if you're part of the Telegram group, I'll definitely send you that link whenever I'm coming live. Bro, now, question mark, question mark. Now what? Buy or sell? I don't know. I think every broker give you the ability to buy or sell. But one thing definitely for sure, my friends, I only take entries based off my confirmations and the 215 technique. Nothing else. So if the price is moving, yes, the price is moving, that's perfectly fine. But if I haven't received a confirmation, I'm not going to do anything. So if you guys are hunting for a signal for me just to say click buy, click sell, you're not going to get that from me, because if it's not confirmed, if I don't see a confirmation for it, I'm not going to send it. All right. So I'm very sorry, guys, if you're just looking and just waiting for a signal for me to say buy or sell, because the market is moving. All right. All right, look, let me show if you guys were paying attention, or if you guys know the technique, you would know that an entry two had confirmed itself right here for a buy, right? So if for those who persons who have been tracking the 215 technique for a long while, you would know that this right here would have actually been entry two for a buy. So you would be in a buy right now if you had taken that. However, I didn't take that entry. Reason being is that there was a little bit too much confusion on the 15-minute time frame, with the resistance being right here and also right here as well. So this 30-minute support could actually ultimately be the 15-minute rejection line. So I said, all right, fine, fair enough, I'll leave that, right? So that's left now. So now I'm just waiting to see what the London session is going to do. It opens in 8 minutes. I need to see where these guys are going to be pushing the market, whether they want to push it up or they want to push it down, right? And then as soon as I can see what they're doing and it's reacting to my entry points, and at that point in time, I will take my entry. Okay, so it's all about the patient games, my friend. So if it's a case where you're in this business and you don't have any patience and you can't wait for the market to play out and for me to properly analyze it, then I'm not sure how much we could help you here. But here at the 215ers, we always ensure that we're patient. We never chase the market, and we always wait for our setups. Just like yesterday, you guys know what how patience pays off. Patient makes kings, guys, definitely, for sure. Because yesterday with that entry two that we took in the New York session was crazy. That entry was crazy. We got told by many viewers as well that we were mad as well for doing that. I wonder if that guy, I don't remember. I wonder if that guy stayed on and he saw what happened. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Hmm. Hmm. All right. Something is building here, because now we have a confirmation of the price coming back into our zone and closing inside of our zone. This candle right now is in the zone. Hmm. And then we have the London Open in 5 minutes as well. All right. So something is cooking up right now. Price broke below, past the 15-minute rejection areas, is pulled back into the zone and has closed inside the zone. Right now, we have 5 minutes until London opening. So basically, the retest for the sell has confirmed. Okay, the retest for the sell has confirmed. So if it's the case where another candle closed below the zone towards the sell side, then I should be taking a short based off that. So I'm just waiting right now just to see what's going to happen. Good morning to you, Pastor. How are you doing today, my friend? I think it will go down. I really want to learn. So Stelly is asking questions. What's Stelly saying? Hi, I was told before I started I should learn the trading alphabet. What's that? What's the trading alphabet? Good morning, Basil. I've never heard that terminology before. I've never heard of the No, Alex, you haven't missed anything as yet. We're waiting now for London to open. I've never heard of the trading alphabet before. There's so many different terminologies and abbreviations in this trade space. To be honest, EPUB meant basic terms and financial sides and all. Ah, Okay. Oh, so maybe main terminologies of, yeah, the basic stuff and what they are. Okay. All right. Remember, guys, if you haven't yet liked the stream, please go ahead and do so. Also, as well, if you haven't yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, that's 215 Trades on YouTube, please ensure that you go ahead and do that as well. If you haven't yet joined the Telegram group as well, please go ahead and do so. You see, our point of interest is acting as a resistance, right? Is acting as a resistance at the minute. We haven't gotten a push above it or a close above it as yet, and the London session opens in 3 minutes. So let's wait and see. Mm, Greetings, Jinga. Welcome. Yeah, I know you were here yesterday as well. Welcome back, my friend. All right, so in 2 minutes, the London session will open. We've got a retest of the lows for 15-minute rejection areas and we've also had a close inside of the zone. So if we get a close on the below side of the 215 zone, then I will be possibly taking a short from that point. But if the London boys and gals decide that they want to take it higher, then they can take it higher. And I'll see what I can do then whenever that happens. So in 2 minutes, we will know. We will know what they want to do. Asian session opened. Where did it open? Opened right there. And it went to that one more resistance as the all-time high. Not the all-time high, but the high of the session. And I think yesterday, well, this is, so it's back at Asian Open right now. But yesterday, when the London market opened, they went for the Asian highs. That's what it did yesterday. So let's see if it's gonna do a repeat of that and go for the Asian highs, or if it's just gonna say no, we're gonna create our downtrend because, well, this would be the Asian low. So let's see what it goes for. In 1 minute, the London market opens, and then we will see what the lads want to do. It would be nice if this candle closed red to create a support slash resistance right there. That would be nice. Sean Paul followed the creator. Sean Paul, the singer. Yeah, I know he's not the singer, but all right. So the London market is open now. So let's see what's gonna happen. Hopefully the guys and gals have already had their cup of tea and is around their trading station. So let's see what they're gonna do. Yeah, short seem to be boiling. Seems to be cooking up right now. Yeah, I'm waiting for the retest. So the retest has already completed. So the price has come down and tested 15-minute rejection and has closed inside of the 215 zone. So now if it closes below it, then I will be looking for a short. Remember, guys, if you haven't yet liked the stream, please go ahead and do so. If you haven't yet subscribed to the 215 Trades YouTube channel as well, please ensure you go ahead and do so. If you haven't yet joined the Telegram group, please go ahead and do so as well. The Telegram group should be in the description of the live streams, both on TikTok and on YouTube. Additionally, as well, it should be on the landing pages. Oh, that's just kissing the lines, man. Kissing the tip of the 215 zone right there. Yeah, Ishmael, get those likes up to 20k likes, my friend. The link to the Telegram should be on the TikTok landing page. Should be in the About Me, I think, section. Also, as well, it should be in the description of the live as well. All right, remember to share the live, my friends. Thank you, Johnny, for sharing the live. Thank you very much. And just like the stream as well. We're at 19k. Let's double tap that screen and get those likes up. Thank you for all the persons as well who have subscribed. Believe we are now 90 persons subscribed for this live. We have over 150 person viewing the stream as well. So if you guys can just your lines are kind of just Fibonacci I guess, yeah, if you want to say it's similar to the Fibonacci, yeah, I guess you can look at it that way if that's the way you see it. Thank you, Ishmael. Yeah, definitely. We're now at 20k. All right, good. So we have support now farm in the 215 zone. So if we can get a candle closure below that 215 zone now, then I will be fixing to take a mini short. All right, come on, guys. Let the London guys and gals know that we're here in the market. So can we get those likes up to 30k likes? Because I can feel an entry is brewing right now. So let's show the entertainment. Let's show the interest. Just double tap on that screen, guys, and get that up to 30k likes on TikTok. We're at 22. You need to double tap. You need to work those finger muscles out so you can exercise the muscle in those fingers, because when the sniper entries come, you need to be ready. You need to have quick fingers, my friends. So double tap on the screen and get those likes up. All right, if you could also share the live as well, that will definitely improve the ratings for the 215 technique so other persons out there can, get it. I know that was gonna make you laugh, Paulo. I know that was gonna make you laugh. But that, yeah, it's true. It's a truth. You need to double tap the screen, exercise those finger muscles, so you can get those sniper entries when they come. All right, because you're gonna be quick. Yeah, I wouldn't want it to do an instant sell and leave us, because this candle closes in about 3 minutes. I would like for it just to, just give us just a small close below and not just tank. But we just got to be patient, because even if it tanks, we will just wait for an entry to off one of the supports on the lower side. Come on, guys, let's get those likes up to 30K before the entry is properly cooked and ready for us. Come on, exercise that those finger muscles, my friend. Double tap on that screen. All right, good. My YouTube viewers are here as well, waiting patiently, listening to some very lovely music by your DJ over there on YouTube. Shout out to my background music DJ. All right, we're at 27K. Still have 3K left to go, and we also have a minute and a half left to go as well. No, I'm not waiting for a buy. Don't see the symbol though on TikTok. I'll check YouTube instead. Yeah. If you head on over to YouTube, YouTube has the full screen versus on TikTok, where I could only afford just to give you guys a part of the screen. There's so many restrictions on YouTube, so on TikTok, so I have to be careful. Hi, Lewis. There's no indicator. I'm not using any indicator. I'm using the 215 technique. It's a bit strange in a sense if you're just seeing it for the first. But what I would recommend, on the YouTube channel, there's a video that I had uploaded in December of last year that explains the 215 technique, that you can have a watch of it, and it should properly explain what we're looking for. Hmm. All right, don't forget to follow the YouTube channel. That's 215 Trades on YouTube. I'm using the 215 technique right now. I've already gotten a retest of the 15-minute rejection and a retest of the 215 zone. Right now, I'm just waiting for a candle closure on the below side. And okay, that's it. I'm gone. All right, let's see how this one works out. Okay. That's what I am looking to happen right now. So let's see what's going to happen. I waited for it. Prices tested the 15-minute rejection, pulled back into the zone with a candle closure on the inside and a candle closure on the outside. So that's it for me. So I'm waiting to see what's going to happen today. We'll get a very strong rejection. All right, remember guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, please ensure you go ahead and do so. That is 215 Trades on YouTube. All right. Also, as well, if you haven't yet joined the Telegram group as well, please ensure you go ahead and do so. Oh yeah, I went for a short, but I'm getting a very strong rejection back to my point of interest. Yeah, we're getting a very strong rejection, Harry. We're getting a very strong rejection, but we followed the rules to the T, so it's perfectly fine. It's perfectly fine. So price broke the below the 215 zone, tested the 15-minute rejection, pulled back with a candle closure on the inside, and it closed below. So I took a snipe of it. So that's perfectly fine. No one has to take to do anything. I'm just showing you what I am doing. Let him cook. Ooh. Damn, that looks like we're gonna be spanked today, boys. Yeah, it seems as if we're gonna get spanked today. That's a massive rejection, man. Ah, the market is coming back for us with vengeance today. Ah, spanked. Ooh, damn. That was a very lovely rejection. All right, so that was a very lovely rejection. That was a lovely, very massive rejection from the London boys and gals. I'm guessing that they are angry based off what we did yesterday. So, whoa, that was the first spank for the month. All right, so let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see what's gonna happen now. So we can take this off because I got spanked on that one. Let me remove that. Yeah, we never saw that coming. That was aggressive and vengeance against us, my fellow 215ers. Oh, that's perfectly fine, Donald. Congrats to you. We don't hate. Ooh, we finally hit 1,000 subscribers on TikTok. Nice. So that means that giveaway should be coming up very, very soon. All right, I want to see what the market is going to do now. Rejected on the daily pivot. What's happening on the daily? No, it's all long candles on the daily. All right, so price came down, tested the 15-minute rejection, pulled back into my 215 zone with a candle closure on the below of the 215 technique, which would constitute for me to go for a short. Sadly, that one just spanked me there and then. I bro, from the POI to the market, the sell line is 20 pips and up and down. Yep, that is correct, Prince. That is correct. So now we're pushing now towards the upside. It's testing the 15-minute rejection on the flip side now. So it's going for the all-time high of the Asia session. Same as it did yesterday again. It's a 15-minute time frame saying. Yeah, we got spanked on that chart just now. Well, I got spanked on that chart just now. So now I'm just waiting just to see what is going to happen, what the market is going to do. Possibly if I see another opportunity, I'll then decide. All right, remember guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to the 215 Trades YouTube channel, please ensure you go ahead and do so. Right? If you haven't yet follow the TikTok page as well, please ensure you go ahead and do so. All right, we just got spanked. It just got spanked. Took me out at 40 pips for today's what was that for today's sell. But that's perfectly fine. We're still up for the week. 40 pips from our 200 pip win yesterday is just a sacrifice to the market. But yeah, so apologies to my fellow 215ers who got hit on that one. You know how it goes. We win, we lose. No, the line break, we'd have to get a reversal back to the zone. We have to get a reversal back to the zone. All right, how many likes are we at now? 30. Ooh, 33 likes, 33K. Oh wait, hold on. I need to go back to TikTok before it does that timeout thing. All right, come on, guys. Let's get those likes up to 35K. I think the maximum we went yesterday's high score was 40K likes on TikTok. So let's see if we can create a new all-time high for likes for the stream. Can you believe I didn't think there was a trade in having live sessions ever? I've always see other. Not sure, Alice. There's always a lot of persons on here. Yeah, we need to get to all-time likes. We hit 40K likes yesterday on yesterday's live stream. Let's see if we can get to. Let's see if we can beat that today. All right, so we just got our first spank of the month. Right, we started yesterday. That was only just a 40 pip loss for me, and yesterday was about 200, so it's not so bad. So price now, it rejected from price rejected from the 15-minute rejection, came back into the zone, closed in with a candle closure on the outside, but sadly it didn't continue the downtrend for us. It just reversed. Now it has come back to the upside above the 215 zone and has now tested the 15-minute rejection on the buy side. Okay, so I'm gonna see. All right, I'm gonna wait for an opportunity and see if I can get that. So let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see what's gonna happen. Thank God I can roll with you guys now. It's been very lonely. Yeah, it's a very lonely it's a very lonely skill, to be honest. Because most of the times it's just you sitting in your house in a small corner, looking at about 1 to 3 screens. It's good when you have fellow traders around you. All right, for those who are asking, guess which country that I'm from. My fellow viewers can let you know which country I'm from as well. So someone is asking which country am I from. Can you guys let them know where I'm from? Colombia. Bro sounds Jamaican sometimes. Well, for those persons who like being spanked, we just got spanked on a short just now. So right now we're fixing to see if we can redo the spanking. I'm just waiting for the right opportunity. Someone said Turks, LOL, just joking. Turks and Caicos, yeah, we're closer to it. Turks and Caicos were neighbors at once, was it not? Bro, from the POI line, we can just mark it immediately after they open the chart. Or is there any SOP? Yeah, it's once it so the POI is always the price that gold is trending whenever you're looking at the charts. Ah, well, welcome then, Reckless. If you're from Turks and Caicos, you will be my first viewer from Turks and Caicos. Congrats to you. Thank you for the support here. But move to the UK. Well, we have quite a lot of persons who are moving to the UK on here, myself included. Buy or sell. Yeah, those two options. Most traders, well, most brokers actually offers those two options. So you can either take a sell or you can either take a buy position with your broker. Yes, I do mentor. I do have a few students now, some who are just starting. Interesting thing only though is that I only show the 215 technique. That is all. So we've just had so we just got spanked on that sell just now, bro. Sorry. Yeah, whatever price it is out. So let's say that you came on the charts and you were reading the charts. Now your POI would be wherever what the price that it's right at right now. I'm loving this channel. Keep doing the thing. Absolutely, man. Why would I stop? A lot of persons on here would want me to stop though, but they keep coming back for more. So it's just a bit weird. So yeah, I won't give up, my friends. I won't give up. All right, so we're at 36K likes now on TikTok. Our all-time high is 40K. So let's see if we can beat that all-time high for the likes today. I'm busy working on a free pop funded competition challenge, pushing to score a funded account. Congrats. Congrats to you, Ellis. It will rise because China imposed tariffs on America. Yeah, it will do a lot of things. It's just for us to find the opportune time to take an entry. I took an entry just now, but I got spanked on that. You're the the pip chef. That's a very yeah, that's fire, Ricky. That's fire. I tell you that. That's fire. That's a very awesome name. Um the pip chef. uh I'm the pip chef. Yesterday we did have a very nice buffet style, but sadly someone kicked over our tables today. So instead of having pips for breakfast, someone stole our pips. What's your take, bro? What's my take on what? Do you think it might go back to 2780? Where is 2780? Two, oh, down here. Well, that's where I wanted it to go just now when I took that that's all just now. Sylvia, you're late. No, that's fine. That's fine. It's a good thing that you were late as well because we didn't have any breakfast this morning. We we got spanked, sadly. So our spank rate is 50%. I'd say a bit sour appetizer, yeah. Yeah, we took a short. We took a short. For those who were just joining, we took a short, but we got spanked. Let me just break it down to what really happened. So let's put it right there. You know how we go. You know how we get down with the 215 retest. So price came down, tested that 15-minute rejection line. We didn't take an entry two from the 30-minute support. Hold on. TikTok is doing the inactivity thing. Yeah, so price came down, tested the 15-minute rejection pullback, close in the zone, followed by a candle closure on the outside. So we took a job at that sell, hoping to ride it past that 30-minute support down to the 1 hour. But the London boys and gals sadly had other plans for our pips. So we took over 200 yesterday, and they decided that they gave us too much yesterday, so they wanted back some. So they took back 40 pips from us today. Well, from me specifically. I don't think anyone else entered with me. All right, what's your thought, guy? Or sell in your opinion, not financial advice. People really like free things. How do I join your mentorship? Well, I'm not accepting any new persons at this present minute, but what I recommend first step would be to join the Telegram group. And once you're in the Telegram group, then as soon as things are freed up and open, especially for the what you call it, especially for the premium as well, that will be coming in soon. So you'll get a notification that to join the Telegram group. How is it? How has it been going for you, Sylvia? The Telegram link is in the bio of the video. Additionally, as well, it should be on the landing page of the TikTok and also the YouTube. The bio doesn't let you copy. So how does everyone else join it then? Yesterday you made a nice, nice, nice. That's very nice, Sylvia. That's very nice. Yeah, the 215 zone is our zone. Nice. Almost 2K yesterday. Nice, nice, nice. Come on, Kitty. Don't come on here and ask persons to join your team. Don't do that. Don't do that. Block him, man. Come on, guys. Don't do that. I would prefer for you guys to come on here and hate versus come on here and try to solicit my fellow 215ers. All right, so we're waiting. So we can now see Price has tested our 15-minute rejection line on the upside. Right, he's now back into, well, it hasn't closed inside the 215 zone to confirm the retest yet. Anyone should try to learn not to be looking for free signals. Of course, I agree with that 100%, my friend. Ah, so they should learn as well, but look for paid signals. Is that, I don't know. Opinions on trading without stop loss. Uh, wow, that's a bit risky. You know, that's like walking on the road without shoes. Or driving fast down the highway without your seatbelt. Bro, if this market sells off or if this melts right off and just pass our entry and continue all the way downwards, I'll be upset. Is it testing break a block or what? I don't know. I don't even know what a break a block is. Remember, guys, the only strategy I use, the only technique I use is a 2-1-5 technique. I don't know anything else. I know some of those terminologies, but it's not my focus. I hope it will go down, 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 down. Now look at this. Look at this. What type of trader are you? FX brother, I am a 2-1-5 trader. So I'm in a total category by myself. So, bro, and that's exactly what it might do. Now look at it. Now the volume, you see the volume is picking up. Let's look at the 50-minute time frame. Have we had a? Oh, okay, right. So it rejected from that 15-minute rejection area now, and it's pushing down aggressively, right? If this continues to push, and bro, crazy. If it just melts and just melts past my entry and continue to where my TP would be, I would probably just screenshot this and then visit my therapist and have a discussion about how the market made me feel today. I wonder where Catching Gold is at. Ah, yes, I remember her from yesterday. I remember her from yesterday. Look at the volume. Look at the volume coming in. Right? Look at the volume coming in. And look at gold melting right now. I'm placing a long at the last liquidity. All right, guys, we're at 30K likes. We're almost at all-time high. Come on, we need to push past all-time high, which is 40K. So if you guys can just double tap on that screen and get it up to 40K likes, I would really appreciate that. What a painful situation. Well, yeah, the market does this on a daily basis. It's not every day I'm gonna win, but whenever I win, we normally win greatly. Your selling point is my buying point. Nice. It can be a bullish wedge on the 1 hour time frame. Can be a lot of things because this market can identify as SMC, and then the next day it identify as ICT, then the next day it identify as a 215er. The market serves no one, but we have to just ensure that whenever the opportunity presents itself based on your strategy, you take it. You know what I'm saying? We are going down. All right, so price is now, you see the point of interest, whenever you put the point of interest on, usually the market tends to come back to your point of interest quite a few times, as it's doing now. As you can see, prices come back to the point of interest and has closed. So I'm pretty invested to see what it's going to be doing. As an SMC trade, it is long. Okay. Does anyone here on here? Thank you very much for that, Carnelia. I really appreciate that. So we're now at 40K. So we're at all-time high. So we need to create a new all-time high. So we have to get to 41K. So let's go again, guys. Let's double tap those fingers and exercise those finger muscles again to get it to 40. Oh, we're at 41K. All right, great. So we're at all-time high now for the likes. Thank you all very much for the appreciation. 45K. I'm not sure if you guys have it in you. Yeah, I'll take that. Thought you say 50K. All right, well, let's see. $15-minute candle. How we have a close of a 15-minute candle? When does this 15-minute candle closes? It closes at in 2 minutes. Is that 2 minutes? Yeah, it closes in 2.5 minutes, and it's inside the zone. So that if it's inside the zone and that 50-minute candle close inside the zone, that means that the 215 zone is still valid. Okay. Might be bullish probs for now. Might be a bullish probs for now. When you say probs, are you saying probability? The buyers are still strong. Yeah, don't underestimate the sellers though. All right, remember guys, if you're on TikTok, if you haven't yet subscribed to the 215 Trades channel on YouTube, please ensure you go ahead and do so. Additionally, if you haven't yet liked the stream, please ensure you go ahead and double tap that screen as well, and also like the live on YouTube as well. Additionally, if you want to be a part of the 215 Trades family, you can head on over to our Telegram group and subscribe. Can I see my one? Well, I don't usually look at my 1 minute chart. Yeah, too much. Yeah, too much quarreling going on that bit, bro. It's coming back to my cell line. Are we doing a New York stream today? Should we be doing a New York stream today? Let me know in the chat, guys, if we should be doing a New York stream today. Come on, so well, yesterday was there was a buffet line yesterday of pips in the New York stream. Should we be doing a New York stream today? If you guys want me to do a New York stream, you guys have to say New York in the chat. I have to see about 20 persons saying NY in the YouTube chat. So 20 persons. Guys, I just realized I'm just looking at TikTok now, and I just realized that someone has actually cloned the 215 Trades TikTok. Wow. I'm honored that that someone would want to clone the 215 Trades channel. So if you punch in 215 Trades, you should only see two. One with my YouTube icon picture and also the one that we're on now that I'm only following two persons. But someone has cloned it and also has 1,500 followers on it and has replicated and has uploaded all my videos on there as well. Wow. Can this? Yeah, we're gonna have to report that. Yeah, it seems. Yeah, they have a lot of followers, so they might be trying to. Yeah, they might be trying to scam my fellow viewers. So I'm going to report it. Because on my page, the original page, I only follow um, two pages, and those pages are mine. So I'm just seeing it. I'm just seeing it now. It's called 215 Trades XAU 1 at the end, and they just uploaded all my videos on there. Yeah, they just uploaded all my videos on there. So wow, I didn't know that I'll actually reach the point where persons would want to copy me. Who sent you? Did someone send you something? So celeb in it. Yeah, I'm now a celebrity. All right. So that was just a quick commercial break. Where were we? Yeah, so I'm gonna have to report. I'm gonna have to report that page, guys. So, and you guys can help me as well to report it because that's definitely an imposter. So if you're on TikTok and you search for 215 trades, right? If you search for 215 trades, you should see. Sadly, you should see three accounts that has 215 trades, right? Now, the 215 trades that has the background with the green and red candles in the background, that's my second, that's my backup account that I have 28 followers on, right? And you guys are now on the original one that is 215 trades XAU. So there's 215 trades, that's my backup account. And then there's 215 trades XAU, that's the account that we're on now. But the account that says 215 trades XAU1, can you guys just report that page for me, please? Because that's not me, and that guy or whoever is doing that page maybe maybe trying to do some very bad things. Oh wow. Oh wow. So this guy has reposted quite a lot of not sure, is this Indian, Pakistani, Asian videos as well? Wow. But yeah, guys, so just report that page. 215 Trades XAU1. That's not me, guys. That's not me. That's someone who's trying to replicate the work that we do here and possibly trying to try to do a scam. All right. Now let's get back to the charts. Are we supposed to be in since it came back to the zone and closed above? It hasn't closed above the zone. If it closed above the zone now, then it would be a confirmation for a buy at that point. Wow, we're at 50. Wow, we're at 50K likes. I didn't even realize that. We're waiting for a candle to close out of the zone. Yeah. Yeah, thank you guys for getting us up to 50K likes. I really do appreciate that. All right, so a buy has just placed itself on the board now for us. Yeah, we're now at all-time likes. So right now, however high we go, that's where we would be. All right, so we've had a retest of the 15-minute rejection and pull back to the zone, climb the closure on the inside, and it's now above the 215 zone. So if it closes above, then it would be a confirmation for me to take a buy. So let's see. All right, so did you guys say you want me to also stream in New York, or you guys said no to New York? Ah, there is Catherine. Welcome back, Catherine. Welcome back. Yes, to New York. Yeah, we know we have news later on today. All right, so it's confirming a buy now, but is it going to? Yeah, I'm gonna take it. They cloned my account 4 days ago. Wow. Yeah, I'm giving it another job. I'm taking a job at the buys today. So price came up, and I'm going to see if the market is going to be playing with me today. Price came up, tested my 50-minute rejection. On the flip side, it has come back into the 215 zone, closed in the 215 zone multiple times, and now we have a break and a closure above the 215 zone. All right. So now that I'm doing that, I'm going to see if the market wants to continue upwards or if it's going to burn me or spank me yet again today. So let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going to happen. How does one verify? But then again, even if you verify, they can still come with some variation of your TikTok account. Their videos won't have comments. Yeah. I knew eventually something like this would happen. But I'm surprised. All right, guys. So if you're on TikTok, please ensure that you subscribe to the 215 Trades YouTube channel. That's 215 Trades on YouTube. Okay. Also, additionally, as well, if you haven't yet joined the Telegram group, please ensure you go ahead and join the Telegram group as well. Now, on my YouTube, on my TikTok page, to know which one that it is, the correct one, I would only be following one or two persons on it. So if you follow my live now, if you follow my channel now, you will see that I only have two person on this one. On my backup, I think there's only one person on the backup. But the one the page that says 215 trades with the one at the end where they reposted all those Asian videos, that is not me. All right, that's not me. Okay, so we will be going live. You never ask, and yeah, positive, Adam. I will never ask anyone for money to do anything really here on stream. Um, the only thing I would ask for you to do would be just to support the channel just by sharing the live, double tapping on that screen. And I think double tapping on the screen as well has its own personal benefits to you, in a sense where it helps you to exercise those finger muscles. So whenever it's time for you to take those sniper entries, you can just click that buy or that sell button as fastly as possible and get in your entry. Okay, so yeah, so this one I'm taking a jab at the longs here. So I'm just waiting just to see what it's going to do. If not, I'm going to leave it for the New York session to see what's going to happen. Scammers will ask for money or try to help you, and in some way they will take money from you. Yeah. All right, 53K likes, guys. That's a new all-time high for likes on the TikTok channel. I really appreciate that. Let's have a quick look at the YouTube as well. We have 16 likes on the YouTube. How many subscribers do we have today right now? We have 1006. I think we would be more by today. So we finally hit the 1,000 subscribers. So that means that I'm going to have to be doing a giveaway live on stream. Now, what will the giveaway be? No one will never know until they're actually on stream when we're doing the giveaway. I think it's best if I do the giveaway on tomorrow's stream. That's going to be Wednesday. And then I'll do it in the London session, which would be this session as well. And the only way you can actually win the giveaway you'd have to be on the YouTube stream. So the TikTok viewers may not see it, but the YouTube viewers will definitely see it. So we're now over 1,000 subscribers finally, and this is a very proud moment for myself, because I remember days when I was just starting out, when I was the only one on my live streams with my two phones. So I really do appreciate you guys. You guys don't know how much this really means to me. The profits and all of that is nice, but it doesn't mean as much as how you guys have supported me in a sense of being here on my streams. So thank you all for that, and in to show appreciation of that as well, I'll be doing a giveaway for the YouTube for my YouTube viewers. All right. So if you want to be a part of that, my friends, if you want to be a part of that, my friends, ensure that tomorrow on tomorrow's stream, you're there and you can earn yourself to win a gift card of an undisclosed amount. All right. All right, great. Now, yeah, thank you all for the love. Thank you all for the likes on YouTube, my friends. Thank you all very much. Really do appreciate it. Now, let's see what my TikTok viewers are saying. Who is this CSI by Solanda? The enlightened ones have already started just when we are all sleeping. Enlightened ones? I don't speak English. This is just a war. All right. Thank you very much, CSHI. You have worked diligently for the award of being blocked. I shall award you with this now. You're welcome. Enjoy the rest of your day. All right, good. What's Katrin saying? Buy confirm signal, but we're at the top of the range, so we could be aggressive sells going long. Stay away. All right, Katrin. Thank you for that as well. She said buy confirm. I don't know if she's a signal or if she's a bot. I'm not sure. Is Katrin a bot? No bots. No bots. Okay. All right. Keep cooking those pips. Yeah, Ricky. I'll definitely keep cooking those pips. You know how we roll. You know how we roll. You know, you definitely know how we roll. You guys have been here since day one, and you keep coming back. You guys enjoy my cooking. What time are you guys having these sessions? So I usually our London stream is the London session comes on at 6:55 a.m. Jerk chicken is needed today. Yeah, jerk chicken is needed today. Am I sure about this buy? Are you sure about it? The thing about it is that you don't worry about if I am sure, right? You worry about if you're sure about what you are doing. Don't worry about what I'm doing. But if you want to learn how to do the 215 technique, you definitely can learn how to do the 215 technique to understand what I am doing. Remember, I'm not giving out any signals, guys. I'm not any financial advisor whatsoever. I'm just some random guy on the internet somewhere in this lovely world that God has made in a corner somewhere on TikTok, on YouTube, doing a live stream. All right, so you don't have to listen to me. You can always skip and you can always go on. But if you'd like to learn how to do the 215 technique, you know where to find this. All right. You're still confused. All right, no worries, Prince. We do have time. Nothing is going on right now. All right, so let's go. So we have the 215 zone, right? We have the 215 zone, and you have the 1 hour resistance, the 30-minute resistance, which is our target areas. Now, how you get those areas, right? So initially, once you start using the 215 technique, you usually would do it on the 15-minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, you'd basically mark the price, whatever price goal would be trending at when you started reading the charts. So this morning when we came on to start to read the charts, the price of gold was trending at 2813408, and that was called our point of interest, right? Following the rules of the 215 technique, we measured 20 pips above from the point of interest and 20 pips below the point of interest, right? So when I measured 20 pips above, that gave me my buy line, and when I measured 20 pips below, that gave me my sell line. And if you want to know why it's 20 pips, you can go to YouTube 215 trades on YouTube and you can watch the videos on there. It will explain why it's 20 pips. Cool. Once we've had that, and that's on the 15-minute time frame, we then found the support, the closest support and resistance above and below the 215 zone on the 15-minute time frame, and then those are referred to as our 15-minute rejection areas. So you see these 15-minute R's, they're not 15-minute resistance, they're 15-minute rejection. I should probably spell that out. So for those who are watching for the first time, don't get confused, right? Once you've identified the 15-minute rejection areas, okay, once you've identified the 15-minute rejection areas, you then go to the higher time frame. So you're going to be switching between the 30-minute all the way up to the 4 hour to basically find your target areas. So you'd go to the 30-minute time frame, and you'd find the support and the resistance on the 30-minute time frame. So when we marked it, it was in this region. This was our 30-minute support candle closure here, thereabout, using the wicks of those, right? On the flip side, the 30-minute resistance, it would be right in this area. You could use here as well, that's perfectly fine, right? And then you go to the 1 hour time frame, you do the same thing, and it was this one. Right, so you identify a support, or you identify a resistance when there's a red, when there's a green and a red candle closing side by side. You identify the support when there's a green, no, when there's a red and a green candle closing side by side. So that's basically how we do it and identify the target areas. Now, using the 215 retest method, price came in. What you would wait for is that you would wait for price to break above your 215 zone, test your 15-minute rejection line with a pullback and closure inside the zone, followed by a breakout of the zone for you to enter a long or a short position. So that's what I did, and that's basically what I'm waiting for. It's a very simple technique. Sometimes I think it's too simple for such a complex market, but honestly, the market really isn't complex, because if you think about it, if you think about it, the only thing the market does, it goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, right? But then we make it complicated when we look for too many things. So if you keep it as simple as possible, then that should help. All right, so we're at 54K likes right now. We have 172 followers as well, which is brilliant, outstanding. I love that. That's an all. No, I think we went 200 subscribers yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. 200 for 200 pips. Oh, and we have persons sending gifts in as well. Thank you. All right, can I get some share of the live, please? Can you guys share the live for us, please, just to see if we can get some traction on this? The volume has gone away right now, so it's losing steam. So let's see what happens by 9:30. Thank you, Amr Gaza, for sharing the live. Thank you, DK, for following as well. Thank you, PT9269, for following the stream as well. Excellent. My YouTube viewers are still here strong with me. Nice, nice. I appreciate you guys. All right, remember, we're doing a giveaway tomorrow on the YouTube stream, on the YouTube platform at 6:55 a.m. when we come live for London. Thank you, Ads Fup, for sharing the live. Come on, guys, let's have some great Let's have some sharing of the live, guys. Just share the lives and get the figures out there. Is Paulo still here, or has he left? The sky is blue, bro. Welcome, Paulo. Welcome. You fell asleep, my friends. Yesterday I was on for what? 4 hours. Yeah, we were on for 4 hours, and then we went on for reckless. All right, great. I'm on the TV. Brilliant. And if you're in the UK, my friend, I guess eventually the BBC is gonna charge you to be watching these streams. You're gonna have to pay TV license to be watching these streams. Um, POI was the 7 a.m. opening. Yeah, any of my viewers in here from London, well, yeah, there are quite a few of you guys here from London. You guys know what I'm talking about. For those persons who are not living in the UK, in the UK, there's something called TV license, where we actually have to pay TV license. We have to pay a monthly subscription to basically be watching on TV. So you still have to buy your TV and you still have to pay a subscription to basically have cable in your house. So you have to pay your cable bill, plus you also have to pay a TV license just for owning the TV every month. Oh, so you would pay your TV license to watch me? Okay. All right, no problem. So our good friend Catherine Gold says that she went long. I'm assuming, yeah, she went long at 2815 SL 2813. Yeah, that's pretty much what we have here on the screen as well. We just have a longer SL. Even here by us, you need a TV license. Where? Which country is that? Official 6 in Australia. Really? Really? Ah. So okay. Well, I would say, okay. I can understand Australia. Oh no, that's not Australia. You said Austria. You see, I'm doing that thing again where I don't read properly. In South Africa as well. Wow. The concept is foreign to me as well. Well, coming from Jamaica, there's no TV license. Then again, in Jamaica, you only have two stations. Is they gonna watch TVJ or CVM? They're saying they want the UK to pay for TV license to watch Netflix. Yep. So not only just Netflix, but for other streaming platforms as well. It's all over Europe. Oh, so it's a European thing then. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I'm from Romania, and it exists there as well. Wow, bro. Because when I first came into the UK many years ago, it was weird and to me because we don't do that in Jamaica. I don't think anyone on the western side of the world does it. But let me know. Is anyone on the stream here from the western section of the world that pays a TV license? My stop loss is at the bottom of my 215 zone, following the rules of the 215 technique. And my take profit, being that we have tested the 50-minute rejection line, if it closes above the 50-minute rejection line, I'll move my SL to BE and take some partials there. My full-on TP would be that 30-minute resistance going into that 1 hour resistance as well. But being that it's long, I'm going to see how long I can actually hold this position for. So let's see. I think it's gonna go up. Yeah, but definitely this TV license concept is it's a bit odd. But let's see what they come up with. Definitely, let's see what they come up with. All right. If you are in a position right now, can you let me know in the chat? Let me see some P. If you're in the position right now, let me see some P's in the chat. Austria, they have a tax called H2O tax. We pay the. Really? You guys pay for the air, man. That's crazy. All right, good. So I can see that my TikTok viewers, they are in they're in a position they're all saying P. Bro, is a 80s yet, bro? Is a scam. I called mine 2 weeks ago saying I don't watch channels, only other stuff. Yeah, I did that as well. But now what they wanted to do in the UK now is that they want to say that if you're using streaming services, then you're gonna have to be paying for a TV license. So if for those persons in the UK, if you want to continue to watch me on YouTube, you're gonna have to pay your TV license. Yeah, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. It is crazy. Imagine you spending 300, 400 pounds for your lovely TV, and then you still have to pay to watch it. All right, come on, guys. So we're at 54K likes right now on stream. I think it's time for us to get to 60K likes. And let's see. So we got spanked on a sell earlier. Let's see if we can make back those pips that we lost earlier. The UK economy is so financially dumb. Zayo, are you from the UK? Ah, you're from the... Okay, yeah, well, I can see why you would say that. All right, guys, let me see how many of you are in longs right now. If you're in a long position, or you're in a short position right now, just put long or short in the chat. Let's see. Let's gauge the temperature of the room. If you're in a long position, just drop a long in the chat box. Let's see. Let's gauge the temperature of the room. Remember, guys, if you haven't yet shared the live as well, just hit that share button. I'm tempted to double up my long right now on Revenge Trade. I rebuke this temptation. Oh my gosh. Revenge Trade. But Katrin, isn't this your first entry today? Or did you take a short earlier? I'm not sure. No, guys. I'm not having any technical difficulties. I just remember I'm not in the studio, so room service just came up. Uh, so I had to let them in. All right, monthly still fresh. What's going on? What's going on? Opportunities are endless. I'm just trying to catch myself up. I need someone to tell me if me buying, bro. Google that shit. Um. What's my ethnicity? Is that question for me, Zayo, or are you speaking to someone in the chat? Oh, okay. Well, my ethnicity, I am a 215er. I was originally born in a lovely country of 215, and on my passport, it says I'm a 215er as well. And my name is Zone. Ah, yes, 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 yes. But yeah, guys, remember to share the live, my friends. If you haven't yet liked the stream, please go ahead and do so. 7 minutes left until New York. 7 minutes. It's just 9:30 here. Did they push back the time? If you haven't yet shared the like, guys, please the live, please go ahead and do so. If you haven't yet liked the stream as well, please go ahead and do so. If you haven't yet followed the 215 Trade channel on YouTube, please go ahead and do so. All right. 3 hours and 6 minutes. 7 minutes. Ishmael, how did you get that? Bro, I lost. You lost your mind. Yeah, that happens sometime, my friends. But yeah, I'm originally a Jamaican. Yeah, you can hear it in my. That's why I have such a lovely accent, my friends. And I have such a great sense of humor, and I'm so entertaining, and I keep you guys on the edge of your seat while they're on stream with me here on TikTok and also on YouTube. Ah, he just left off the tree. So he only just said the minutes, but not the hours. Does bro chief? What? Ads, what do you mean by that? I was typing too quick. I don't sound Jamaican. Really? Yeah, I'm not surprised you said that, because when I first came to the UK, they thought that I was American. What a lazy, yeah, it's a lazy set of candles, man. I tell you. I do have a, well, they say that I have an American accent. I'm not sure if it is American, but yeah, it's just a squeeze right now, my friends. It's just a squeeze right now, so it's just holding on to it. But as soon as it lets go of it, we're gonna look for these highs. If we get a candle closure above this broken line, the yellow broken line, then it's open rows for us to continue higher. Well, I know we having some news coming out in the New York session. What news do we have coming out today? We have at 3 p.m. it's also open. I think that's the only word folder news we have. So let's see what's going to happen. Are we going to go to all-time highs again, or, you know? So let's see what's going to happen there. I don't know. Maybe do a rock, paper, scissors, or do a coin flip. All right, let's do a sound check, guys. Let's do a sound check. Let's see where you guys are from. All right, let's see where you guys are from. If let's just drop a vlog in the chat section. Let me know where you're streaming from on YouTube and also on TikTok. So let's see which country is going to win the most streamers today. So let me see in the chat section where you guys are viewing from, whether you're viewing from America, you're viewing from UK, Uganda. All right, great. We have welcome Sammy, my Ugandan brother. KZ. Carnelia, welcome from Poland, South Africa, UK. I'm still pissed from yesterday. Caught 100 pips just for the app to not let me withdraw. Yeah, Ishmael, I'm so sorry about that. You came to the buffet. I was dishing out the pips for you, but you refused it, my friend. You refused your plate. I tell you, that entry yesterday, Ethiopia. Ah, nice, nice. South Africa. Yeah, very popular with the South African viewers. Made sure today it ain't happening ever again. Nice. Yeah, I tell you, that entry yesterday was so lovely in the New York session. That entry was so lovely. It was so one of a kind. And what made it more, what should I say, juicy, because it was a very juicy and lovely set of pips, was we had so many haters on. We had so many haters on that was cheering us on to say we are going to lose. But little did they know that here on 215 Trades, we are the chef of pips. And they were rooting for us to go down in flames, but we left fat and filled with a lot of pips in our piggy banks. Nice. It was just so beautiful yesterday. So beautiful. We took that entry out of thin air. Everyone was questioning, why is he doing that, man? Why is he doing that? But if you follow the rules of the 215, then you can't go wrong. Thank you guys for those gifts. 215 is a buffet, baby. Yeah, definitely. Buffet style. That's how we like our pips. Buffet style. You added at 2816. Good going. Well, Catherine, one thing I know based off experience, any position you take, it's always risky. There's always a risk to it. I don't think there's any position that you can actually take in the market that doesn't have risk. You just have to be confident and work with your whatever technique that you use in that confirm the entry. You just trust the technique and just do what you got to do. Because I got spanked earlier for a sell. 215 technique confirmed the buy now, so I'm in along. So let's see if we get a close above that 15-minute rejection line, then that will show me that it's time for me to continue. And oh my lord, I've never done that. You never done a 0.5? Yeah, it's relative to the account side. I'm down for $100 on the previous century, but that's fine. Like I mentioned yesterday, we traders are mad things. Right, we are. All right, how many like we're at 56k likes, guys. Let's get those. All right, guys, come on. We need to pump those likes up to 60k likes so the market can pump, right? Do you know that song? Don't you know? Pump it up. We got to pump it up. Come on, guys. We need to get those likes up to 60K likes so we can get the market pumping. The more you double tap on the screen, is the more the market will go up. So we're at 56K likes right now, and if you double tap on it, because we're not, I'm in a long right now. If you double tap on that screen, for sure, for sizzle, the market is going to continue higher. So come on, guys, let's drop those likes on the screen and get those likes up. We're up nicely right now. How many pips we are? All right, so we're up 20 pips now. In. So come on, guys, double tap on that screen and get it in. So we've already tested this 15-minute rejection area already. That's perfectly fine. I've already tested it. So once we get a candle closure above, then I will be riding it to my 30-minute resistance. So that's what I'm looking for. So come on, guys, 57K likes. We need to double tap on that screen to get the. We need to pump up the jam. You know, pump it up. Just that I can't play those songs because YouTube is gonna, give me a copyright for it. So what's my pip target? I have a deficit right now of 40. So let's see if I can get that full on 70 pip win for today. So that's what I'm ideally waiting for. So come on, guys, pump up the jam. Double tap on that screen, my friends, and get those likes up. All right, you see that we're now at 58K, close to 60K, and you can see that the market is moving upward. So let's continue. All right, remember to share the live, guys. Remember as well to also follow the channel, the YouTube channel. That's 215 Trades on YouTube. We're live there right now on YouTube. YouTube is my main play area. I am always there. All right. So if anything was to happen to my TikTok, you know where to find me. There's also a someone cloned or created an account. That's not me. 215 Trades, XAU 1. That's not me. All right. So it's 215 Trades or 215. It's 215 Trades. All right. I have imprints on my thumb. Nice. Nice, Carnelia. That's a well-deserved imprint. All right. Because today you have contributed to us eating some pips. So we're now up 20 pips. We're now up 20 pips. Right now we have had a close above that 15-minute rejection line. So now it's just even more. That's a better confirmation now for me just to continue to hold on just a little bit longer to see what it's going to do. If we pass this area, let me just put a little line right there. If we pass, oh, that's too fat. Yeah, that's too fat. Let's make it a little bit more thinner. Let's make it broken as well. Come on, guys. We're almost there. Up, we're at 59K, guys, and we're going up smoothly. We're going up nicely. We are now up. Yeah, we should be up 20 pips. So if you guys wonder, I missed that entry because I went to the. Bro, we've been in this entry for so long. What do you mean? What? All right, ensure you manage it. Ensure you manage it. You take your partials and do what you need to do. Finally, we are at 60K, but you guys stop pressing that screen. So now we have that little red candle trying to make his way back, trying to wiggle his way back into our charts. Well, we need to get rid of it. So we need to continue to double tap that screen until we have passed the finish line. Remember, black and white is usually what symbolize the finish line. So we need to push it past that white broken line. So continue to double tap that screen until we are there. Do you secure some percentage? Yeah, of course. Let's just have a quick look at Well, we're still at 1,006 subscribers on YouTube. Haven't had any new subscribers on YouTube. Still good. Still appreciate that. Did you only have 20 plus views last week? What do you mean if I had only 20 plus views last week? When you say 20 plus views, on where? How many of you guys called in sick for work today just so you could come on stream? No, I'm not. I'm not 100%. Well, I don't live stream 100%, but I trade daily. Oh, yellow diarrhea disappeared. Bro, come on. Don't be like that. Oh, hi. You think it's going to go? Well, it took 40 pips from me this morning. I need back those 40 pips. So I want my 40 pips. So I'm waiting back for my 40 pips. Welcome, holiday feeling. I got a feeling. All right. So we're at 61K. We're almost at the break point for us to do what we need to do, that I need to do what I need to do. I think we're able to tap to 100K. If you guys were to tap that to 100K, I'm pretty positive the market will create some all-time highs here. I'm pretty positive. Pretty positive. So the market took my 40 pips away this morning. I got spanked, properly spanked. I'm almost up 30 pips now. So I'm waiting. I'm waiting for it. I need back those 40 pips. I need to put those back in the bag. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So we are at the broken lines. We need to get a close above the broken lines. If we get a close above the broken lines, then that's nice. That it's going to be a lovely day for us. How many persons are still holding? If you're still holding this position, let me just see some holds in the chat. Just put some holds in the chat. I'm just joining. Is this gold? Yeah, it's golden, my friend. Holden. Nice, 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 nice. All right, so I'm sure you guys. Well, yeah. Ricky, you closed. All right, no problem. No problem at all, Ricky. Partials taken and all that fun stuff, but I personally need back what was taken from me. So I'm waiting for that I'm waiting back for those 40 pips. Reading hold reminds me of the movie Braveheart. Braveheart. What's Braveheart? Is that the show on Netflix? Or was that Stoneheart? Where they had the what do you call that thing? The spies and all of that. Mel Gibson about the Scots. That doesn't ring a bell. Like, hold on, let me Google it and have a look at it. Yeah, I watch a lot of movies in my spare time. Bro, my favorite movie, right? My favorite series, other than Walking Dead. I'm not sure if you guys have ever seen it. Have you ever seen the movie From before?